One thing we've been noticing lately on social media is that the posts that say something like check the comments for the link or check the comments for more details, they're typically getting more reach and engagement because people are curious by nature and they want to see what you're talking about. So they click the comments and then they go and see what's there. I like to add links in my comments, and I love using CinchShare because I'm able to make the post and schedule the comments with links, images, text, whatever I need, all at the same time. If you don't know who I am, my name is Lisa Duck, and I'm a digital systems strategist, and I'm here to help you simplify tech in your business. So come on into CinchShare and let's go take a look at how easy it is to schedule a post and comments all in one go. All right, so here we are inside my CinchShare scheduler, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to schedule a post and comments all in one go. So I'm just going to copy some content in here, and this is going to be my post. So basically, I'm telling people how how I've been using YouTube lately and that I'm working on growing my YouTube channel. And I'm inviting them to come and actually take a look. So this is the post, the curiosity post. And I said, I'll drop my channel in the comments. So I'm going to go into the comments and I already have some content ready for that. So what I'm going to do is just copy that content here and I am going to post that in here. Now notice that I have the link and everything saved right in there. And then I can save that. You'll see the link is hyperlinked, which is awesome. Then the next comment I am going to schedule is going to invite people to share their YouTube channels with me if they already have one. And then the final one I'm going to share is that I'm also a podcast host, and I recently did a podcast episode with a few of my friends, and I'm inviting them to come and take a listen. So now I'm ready to schedule. If I wanted to, I could save this content into a folder that I might have already. So I am going to put this inside my lisaduck.com folder and I'm just going to put it under posts. And then when I hit save and schedule, it's going to save for me that if I wanted to use it at a later date, I can. So then I come over here to the section where I have my calendar and I'm going to pick the day I want to schedule it. So I'm going to schedule it for today and let's schedule it around 3:08 p.m. So it's already on PM. And then I want it to go to my lisaduck.com Facebook page. So that's where I'm going to schedule it. And then all I have to do is simply hit save and schedule. And she's done. That's it. It's ready to go. And then it will show up on my Facebook feed with the main post and all of the comments already scheduled, ready to go. Okay, so if you like the content that I'm sharing and you want to learn more about tools and tech in your business, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And feel free to share this video with someone who might be using CinchShare and have questions about how do you share comments on a scheduled post. Alrighty then, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.